An adventure in the city. In a cozy town, there lived a young boy named Sam. One sunny morning, Sam decided to explore the city park. He put on his favorite red cap and grabbed a backpack with a snack. As he strolled through the park, Sam noticed colorful flowers and heard the cheerful chirping of birds. He sat on a bench near a pond and enjoyed his apple while watching ducks swim. After his snack, Sam saw a group of kids playing with a bright, bouncing ball. Excited, he joined in the fun. They laughed and kicked the ball around, making new friends. Sam's stomach rumbled, and he decided to visit the park's cafe. He ordered a delicious ice cream cone with chocolate sprinkles. The cold treat melted in his mouth as he walked along the winding paths. Feeling energized, Sam discovered a playground with swings and a slide. He climbed and slid, his laughter echoing through the air. Nearby, a friendly dog wagged its tail, and Sam gave it a gentle pat. As the sun began to set, Sam found a peaceful spot under a large tree. He unpacked his favorite book and began reading. The city lights twinkled as the sky turned shades of pink and orange. Lost in his book, Sam didn't notice the time passing. When he looked up, the stars were shining above him. With a content smile, Sam packed up his things and headed home, grateful for a day filled with new adventures in the city. Strolled, walked in a leisurely or relaxed way. Chirping, the high-pitched sound that birds make, often associated with a cheerful or lively mood. Bench, a long seat for multiple people, often found in parks. Pond, a small, still body of water, often surrounded by land. Energized, filled with energy or enthusiasm. Cafe, a small restaurant or coffeehouse where light meals and drinks are served. Cone, a three-dimensional geometric shape, but in this context, it refers to an ice cream. Sprinkles, small, colorful candy decorations often used to top ice cream or baked goods. Treat, something enjoyable and pleasurable, especially a special food item. Energized, filled with energy or enthusiasm. Playground, an outdoor area with equipment, structures, and space for children to play. Swings, hanging seats suspended from above, often found in playgrounds. Slide, a structure with a smooth, sloping surface for children to slide down. Echoing, repeating or reflecting a sound, in this case, the sound of Sam's laughter carrying through the air. Content, feeling a sense of satisfaction and happiness. Twinkled, shone with a flickering or gleaming light. Shades, different tones or colors. Grateful, feeling or showing appreciation or thankfulness.